Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope you are enjoying and learning a lot from these videos. Today we will see how to use Google Basic free products. Google. Google was just a search engine when it was launched. Anyone who needs something, some article, videos, audio, pictures or anything from the internet, so he can use the search engine and search whatever is come into his mind. But now Google is not just a search engine, it is providing us a full corporate solution to single user, small business entrepreneur, big, mega, large, each size of business can get the solution from Google. They are providing full solution to all. For single user, it's a free as well as paid. With free, you will get 15 giga online cloud storage. With the paid, definitely with a different package, they have different facilities. Now, if anyone has Android phone, he cannot log into the phone without having Google account. Mostly we think Google is a search engine or a email service provider. This is the reason why when we start using the Android phone, we create a Google account with Gmail. Definitely, and the syntax is your name @gmail.com, and he will start using the Android phone, and then he just forget what is Google and which level of services they are providing. We will see and explore all the services today, and keep in mind this is just an introduction to the basic free products, and we will have a series of videos on each topic. So Google is not just providing the Gmail service to send and receive emails, it is providing us a lot more, and some examples are here, like Google Drive. In Drive they have a lot of products: Google Calendar, Google Chat, Google Photos, Google Contacts, Google Classroom. So there are many products, but today we will see the Google Drive and their basic products. How to access these free products like Google Drive and other? When you are opening the Gmail, you will find this icon on the top right corner of the screen. Just click on this icon and then select Google Drive. You will get the Google Drive a separate window. From this window, if you want to use the other free services like Google Doc or Google Spreadsheet, Google Slide, whatever, so you need to do is just click on the new and you will see the list. Under Google Drive you can create a folder, you can upload a folder, you can upload a file, you can have different type of Google products like Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and in more you will see Google Form, Google Drawing, Maps, and a lot more. Let us see how to access these things. Now it's a practice time. So this is a standard view of the Gmail. So on the top right corner, click on this icon and then Google Drive. You will have another Google Drive screen. You can see here free storage space 15 gigabyte, and this is your folder view. Click on new, click on folder. So you will have the folder like I need the first Google Drive folder. This is my first folder. Okay, so double click to open the folder definitely, and inside the folder I need to create a Google document. Just click on the document, it's created. So my first Google document, it is almost similar to the Microsoft Word. You can bold it, you can increase the size, you can change the font, you can change the style, you can apply the basic formatting on this heading. After that, a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So here you can just make a copy and paste. So this is just to quickly have the document, and you can justify, you can increase the size. So this is just like Microsoft Word, as I told you, but this is giving us the high level basic function. Now I need to know, or I need to write the name of the file. So Google will automatically consider the first sentence as a file name. Click here. Okay, so I can change as well. Just type, it will give you the name. Here you can change anytime. One more thing, whatever you will write, it is automatically saved. No need to save every time. It will be saved automatically. If the light switched off or anything happened with your computer, your data is saved. Your document, your data is saved. It is saved on the cloud. Okay. The next, new spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is just like the Microsoft Excel. It is giving the very competitive functions. There are many functions which are not available in Microsoft Excel, and there are definitely many functions that are available in Microsoft Excel not available in Google Spreadsheet. So we will see inshallah in the coming lectures how to explore the functionality used in Microsoft Excel and the Google Spreadsheet as well. So this is the way to create the spreadsheet. I can type my first spreadsheet in Google. So you can have the basic functions like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I need to sum them all, is equal to sum, and then is equal to sum, and then you can sum them all. So again, if I need to know the maximum, I will select the data, it will give me the maximum. The same way is equal to minimum, it will give me the minimum. It is the same we are using the Microsoft Excel. Okay, now I need to give the name, my first Google spreadsheet. So Google Spreadsheet will not take automatic name. Okay, so you need to type here. Now it is also automatically saved, no need to save every time. So every change is saved automatically. You can see here last edit was seconds ago. So whatever I have here change, it will be automatically saved to the Google Drive. saved automatically. Saving and save. You can save. Now the third is Google presentation slides. So the same thing that we have in Microsoft presentation, Microsoft PowerPoint, we have here the presentation. These are the templates. Whatever template you like, just click on the template, it will be available for your presentation. My first presentation, my biodata. Okay, so be Bhatti business analyst, Paprika's company, lived in Kasur, Pakistan. So here KSA Dubai, Saudi Arabia, whatever. So this is just an example, so you can just present, and this is your first presentation, and that's it. Very simple and very easy. Now let us go back to our main presentation. Just for your information, you see I create the whole presentation in Google presentation, Google Slides. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and give me your honest feedback on this video, and hit the like button if you really like this video. And furthermore, if you really learn something from this video, share it with your friends and family members, and also follow me on my blog, Computer for Learners. Thank you very much.